In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade oil on Robinhood. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device, and then from here you'll need to go up to Robinhood like so, and open up the app like you usually would and log into your account. Now once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here you will simply need to go down to the bottom corner and go over to the search bar and click in the specific oil. Now this depends on whether or not you want to trade with futures, ETFs, or normal stocks and options. So if you want to trade with futures, you will need to apply for the approved Robinhood depreciation futures trading, but once from here you'll simply need to go up to the search bar and click in /CL for crude oil, and then it should be appearing inside of the search bar. You can also click MCL like so, /MCL, and then the micro crude oil will also appear. Now if you want to trade oil ETFs, you'll simply need to go up to the search bar again, and then from here you can either click USO like so for United States Oil Fund, and then you can just click buy and then choose how many shares you want to purchase, or you can write in UCL to get United States 12 months oil fund. Now if you want to trade oil stocks and options, you can simply go up to the search bar again and click in something like Chevron, which is an oil company, and click in here and click buy, and then put in how much you want to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase for $2 or euros, and I'll need to deposit more money into my account, but you'll be looking something like this where you can just add in the order. But as I do it, if you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!